What's going on? It's gonna be about Breonna Taylor, the Louisville law, the no knock rule, the new Louisville rule behind her. Well, they killed her. And so what if they passed a law which should already been in place? And so what if they compensate her family? How come them racist cops ain't been charged in Louisville? Breonna Taylor was murdered, and her boyfriend was falsely accused and assaulted. There is nothing to bring it back. So they passed the Breonna Taylor Louisville the knock law, but you killed her. Cold-blooded. Murder. Racist. Louisville is under the eye. I want to see some protests there too. Breonna Taylor deserves just as much as George Floyd. The Soul Sister does. Let me tell you something. She was an essential worker, and she did everything was quite straight with her, and she was cold-bloodedly murdered. They knowingly went to the wrong place because the suspect that they were looking for was already in custody. So they murdered her. Now, where is the protest in Louisville? Where is the outreach? Where is that at? And where is people that's supposed to be doing their jobs, letting those cops eat coffee and donuts and not holding them accountable for killing Breonna Taylor? And she was murdered. It's cute that you pass a law, and it's cute that you say, we sorry and we'll give some compensation, but it ain't bringing her life back, and there hasn't been any charges against those racist cops. And I'd say it again, can't trust the police at all. Arbery in Georgia, 3 months, 70 days before they finally charged those turkeys, those racist redneck hounds. George Floyd, 4 days before they charged the one cop, and they were trying to go third-degree manslaughter. That's a walk after 10 to 15, and if you plead enough, you get out after 5 to 10. That was the original one on the table. And then they brought the other stooge hound cops in on it because of the pressure. But they weren't even going to go there. They don't want to charge white racist cops for killing black people. They want to always cop something and moonwalk and sidestep the obvious hate crime, the obvious ingrained. It's there. Breonna Taylor deserves. There should be marches times 2 because she was as murdered in cold blood as George Floyd and Arbery. And an essential worker on top of that. Got her house broke into by racist cops. Thugging, slugging, bugging. It's my thoughts and takes about the Breonna Taylor law being passed in Louisville, but it ain't done no justice for her case. Them racist cops are still out there. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and the bell rings a new video. Wash your hands, keep your mind clear, watch out for one another, and listen. No lip service, justice.